Hi everyone, my name is Rafat and you are watching my tech YouTube channel. In this video, step by step, I will show you how to get a RESTful API from the live server and display it in a beautiful HTML table using a Bootstrap 5, and then add a more powerful feature like search and paginations. This is the user API data that you are seeing on my screen. This is the user object data. It includes many fields like ID, name, username, email, addresses, and then phone, website, company, etc. So the address is the nested object inside the main data. Then geo is the nested object inside the address object. Then company also is the nested object inside the main object or the user data. Let's go to the VS Code editor and understand how to display these API data in the HTML tables. This is my whole code where I get the user API data. For getting the user API data is first step. I have created the HTML table with the headings like ID, name, email address, zip code and city. The second step for getting a data in the JavaScript table, we need to integrate the jQuery library. Here are I have integrated and linked the jQuery 3.6.0 min.js library to fetch the real-time data from the API. In next step, on the document events, ready events, when page is completely load after load, then AJX call the API with the helper of the URL. Inside the URL, you can add your API endpoint here. Then the method of this API is get. There are many other APIs method like post, put, delete, etc. On the success functions, I have called the console. I have called the data in the console for the testing purpose. In next step, I have used the loop for each loop to get the user data in the table row inside TD. First of all, I call the user ID, username, user email, user address dot street because because the address is the nested object and street also inside the address. So we have used the address dot zip code, address dot the city, and so on. Now is next step. We are using the Bootstrap data table to make it beautiful and searchable and adding a pagination. For this, open your Google, then search Bootstrap data table. Open first link. Here are the Bootstrap data table example. Go to bottom and see here in the JavaScript section tab. Right click on this link, copy this link and paste in your script section. Next, copy other link. Copy all the JavaScript and paste in your script section. This is the last link. Then go to the HTML and copy this first line table with its ID and class. This is the last step. Copy the CSS library and link in the CSS section, in the header section. Also copy the Bootstrap CSS for the table design. Go to the HTML JavaScript section, copy this and paste in its onload events. Go to your table, refresh this. Here you can see we have successfully applied the Bootstrap 5 data table with a search functionality. If I search something like this, okay, I think I have wrongly replaced this data table. Refresh the data.